Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Dominga Aguinaldo Bangi, 37 years old, from Sipa, Santa Marcela, Apayao, Philippines. I am married and I have two children, one girl and one boy. I am the third among the five siblings. My weight is 56 kilos and my height is 149 in centimeter. I am also a degree holder in Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Social Studies. I am all-around nannies in the Philippines for almost 2 years. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of children, feed them, soothing them, grooming them, and giving their vitamins. And I also do the household chores like cleaning the house, cooking, washing clothes, washing dishes, ironing, marketing, and gardening. And to my future employer, if you will given me a chance to work with you, I promise to do my jobs and responsibilities. You can also trust me. I have long patience, responsible, hardworking, and trustworthy. I will always obey your house rules and regulations. Thank you and God bless.